Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. So we continue with question number 3, learning outcome 2.3. An object is thrown vertically upward. So for this one, it is thrown vertically upward with an initial velocity u equals to 20 meters per second. Determine the maximum height. Determine the time taken to reach the maximum height. So for this case, it's very different from the previous one because this time, an object. So let's say an object, I am here. I want to throw a ball upward. So the ball is initially here. Okay, this is when my Sy equals to 0. So a ball is being thrown upward. What will happen? When the ball reaches maximum height, the ball will stop. So your Vy would be equals to, Vmax. No. I would paraphrase it as Vy at maximum height. So Vy at maximum height would be equals to 0. Okay, you just take a piece of paper, you crumple it and you throw the paper upward. So what will happen? The paper will travel upward, stop before it travel downward. So this is where at maximum height the paper will stop, isn't it? So the object stops. So this is the time where your Vy equals to 0. Okay, and this time your Sy, Sy, or we can say that it is the maximum maximum height, would be a positive value. The initial velocity is given, so Uy is equals to 20 meters per second. What else is given? That's it, okay? And again, as usual, the acceleration acting on y component would be gravitational acceleration. So it would be negative 9.81 meters per second square. Okay, so far so good. So let's continue. So they ask you for maximum height. Again, we are going to list out the 4 magic formulas. V equals to U plus AT. V square equals to U square plus 2AS. S equals to UT plus half AT square. S equals to half U plus BT. Okay. So this time they are asking about maximum height. They are asking you Sy. So you have your Vy. Unit equation that contains S. You cannot use the first one. Okay, the first one is rejected. The second one, we don't have the time taken. Okay, the time taken for the ball, for the object to reach maximum height, we don't have that information. So we cannot use these two formulas. So the option left would be the second formula. So let's continue using the second formula. So the formula would be Vy square equals to Uy square plus 2AYS. Okay. So next, what is your Vy? As I mentioned before, at maximum height, the vertical velocity would be 0. So this is 0. Your Uy is given. Uy is upward, so it should be 20 square plus 2 negative 9.8 y s. S is what we are looking for. So your S would be equals to, the S would be your Sy. This is your Sy max. Okay, Sy max. Sy max. So your maximum height would be Sy max. Your maximum height would be, if you press your calculator, you'll get 20.39 meters. Okay, next, let's look at the time taken to reach the maximum height. So for the next question, they ask you about the time taken. So we are looking for t. So we have to use the formula that has t, obviously. So this one cannot be used. We have our s, we have our u, we have our t, obviously. We want to find out t. Can we use this one? Yes, sure. You can use the first formula, okay? So Vy equals to Uy plus Ay t. So your Vy is 0, your Uy is 20, your Ay is negative 9.81. So I forgot to put my 1 here. Okay, and this is my t that what we are looking for. So if you press your calculator, your answer would be 2.04 seconds. Okay,